Litter Robot 4. Here we go. We're going to unbox it today. Okay, there you have it. It's the old Robot 4. That's what we got, the Robot 4 right there. And you got the quick start guide, which I'm going to look at right away. So let's see what happens. What I like about this is it's American made and the parts are readily available on it. Whereas other cat litter scoops, they say that most of the time, parts are not available. So if you have parts breakdown with other brands, you just can't get any parts for them. But with this particular brand, Whisker Litter Robot 4, you can get parts for it. Anyway, that's what I was to understand. Okay, so let's go take this thing and put it in the spot where we are going to keep it forever. And a couple things to make note of. This right here is a fence guard. It comes right off like so your cat can get in there a little easier, and then it just snaps back on. And that's just for if your cat's in there and he's one of those cats that really throws their litter all over the place. This would prevent it from coming outside. And also, this is a rubber liner right here, and it's sealed in really well right there. And this is all plastic up here. And you can see the line going around right there. That's the maximum fill level for your cat litter. And also, this thing's really light. As you saw me lift it three times, I suppose, during this video. But it's really light and easy to carry around. And we'll quickly run through a cycle here. And I'll fast forward this. And if you've got any clumps, it will roll out into this area here and drop down in this hole here, which is this basket right here. I'm not going to pull it out while it's running, but you pull that out and you can see the waste paper down there. And then it rotates back the other way. And it's real quiet. I can't even really hear it. And then the cat litter comes back. I can see where this could be used for multiple cats. We only have one. I just got a notification on my phone saying it went to the clean cycle. But anyway, here's the drawer down here. And here's the bags. You can use your own bags if you want. You don't have to use their bags. That's the difference between this brand and other brands. Other brands, you have to basically use their bags. No ifs, ands, or buts. They're proprietary. But on this one here, you can use any bag you want, basically. Now you see it's got a red light there because I just pulled the drawer out. And then let's reset it here. After the cat jumps out, you have the option to set the drum to rotate after 3 minutes after he gets out, 7 minutes after he gets out, 15 minutes after he gets out, 25 minutes, or 30 minutes. I could see the advantage if you had multiple cats. You'd probably want to set it for 3 or 7 minutes or something like that. I could see that, but you have that option. And all that is controlled through the app on your phone. And it has these sensors up here that tells you when your cat comes in and when your cat goes out. Also, when your cat jumps in, it can determine the weight of your cat. So if your cat's losing weight over time, you can detect that by the history. And I think it might even let you know that your cat's losing weight. So you fill the thing up with cat litter by hand up to the line, as you can see the line around there. And there's another way to do it, is you add a hopper on the back of the machine. I'll show you. And it dispenses through this little spot right here, fresh new cat litter. When this thing detects that you're low on cat litter, it will automatically feed more cat litter in from the hopper. And the hopper goes on the back right here. And for a mere $99, you can put it on yourself. It's a pretty easy process, just everything just snaps into place. I talked to a couple people that own these. I'm going to recycle this, or cycle it. And they really like this thing, so that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy one. This thing's really quiet, as you can listen right here. I'm going to speed it up here a little bit while I talk. You go on their website and you can buy all kinds of accessories for this thing. Your standard stuff, of course, litter, bags, odor traps, cleaning spray, cleaning wipes, and some carbon filters. And this thing comes with carbon filters and you can replace them. But it also comes with usable accessories like, you can buy usable accessories on the website, and custom mats, a ramp, the ramp adapter, and of course the litter hopper, and a carpet tray, so if you want to sit on the carpet and it's kind of uneven, this stables it out real well. And a camera mount. You can buy the camera mount and watch your cats go in and out, I suppose. And of course the fence that I showed you earlier. And it comes with, you can buy a mini fence also. And a shield for the front makes it open, the opening is a lot smaller if your cat doesn't like the wide open one. And of course the odor holders. But you can go on the website and buy all kinds of neat accessories for this thing. So this thing's kind of expensive. It cost me an arm and a leg. I had to hawk my house and I had to sell my children into slavery just so I could get this thing. But one thing I do like about it is the drawer sealed the smell up really well. You can have that thing in it for a week, and then the app on your phone will let you know that the drawer is filled up, it's time to empty it. But I'm going to tell you, the second you open that drawer, oh my gosh, it stinks bad. But you can't smell that at all because that drawer seals up the smell really well. Also, I do like the phone app. It gives you some pertinent information that you might be interested in, like the weight of your cat. And it also will tell you when you're low on cat litter and that you need to add some more. Unless you have an automatic hopper where it automatically feeds the cat litter into it as it needs it. You can do a lot of stuff on the phone, but some of the same stuff you can do on the buttons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons there. But the phone has a lot of interesting things on it that this thing doesn't have. That history, cat weight, and when it shows up, when the cat goes through, when the cat comes out, and all that good stuff. Again, pretty interesting things on the phone. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope I learned something.